Hi guys, Flo here, the consolist. In today's video I want to take a look at these two Nintendo Switch Pro controllers. Yeah, I bought these about 2 years ago and I encountered the problem that on both of these the L and R, ZL, ZR buttons are not working. Yeah, I combed through the internet to find the cause of this. Yeah, I found all the usual stuff like change the flat flex cable here, which I did on one. It didn't change anything. Clean the pads. That didn't change anything. Put little stickers behind the pads. That didn't change anything. Check if all the ribbons, cables are connected properly. That didn't change anything. So it's really frustrating. Nobody, it seems, has the answer for this problem. I really looked, but I couldn't find anything. So in today's video, I tried to fix this. I tried to find a solution for this problem. I think it must have to do with some of the chips that are on the PCB. Everything else checked out. All the other buttons are working, except these four here. It syncs with the Switch, they are updated, they are fully charged, nothing changed anything. In today's video I tried to reflow all the chips. They are really small components, but I'm willing to sacrifice one of these just to get this working and try to find a permanent fix for this problem. And now, without any more waffle, let's get started. So I will show you, they sync up with the switch here, yeah, immediately, as you can see here. So we can see here, let me zoom in. All the buttons are working except those four. And it's the same on the other one. So let me put this aside and then I already unscrewed this all and we can open it up. I will reflow the chips. If this doesn't change it, then I'm out of ideas, but I hope it does. So let's get into it. I'm not interested in this part. I took it all apart, all the buttons, everything is clean. I checked for continuity here and here, everything checks out. So my guess is it has to be one of the chips. My first culprit will be this. I will check exactly what this is. With all of those, I check the contacts here, they all are good. Here too, but I think I will put it under the microscope to check again. Those are BGA chips, ball grid array, so there are a little bit solder balls under here. So I will reflow this one, I think. I know this is a little bit more involved, but it seems to be quite a common problem. But first, of course, I will remove the PCB. So the board is out here. I will desolder the rumble motors, which are working too. So these two things here, this ribbon cable, and here on the other side I will desolder this. I have to do this from the back here. So it's this and here, those two wires and those four. Yeah, I will do that now and then the board is free. So the board is out. I desoldered all this here and cleaned up. So here is the board. Yeah, and now I will try to reflow, I think, this chip here. So I think I will put it like this and put Kapton tape here everywhere. So I really try to clamp this down here. So I put it on my hot air station on 480 degrees with very, very little airflow. So I let this cool down now, and then I clean it with IPA. And then I put it back together. I will make a montage of it and then we try it. Maybe it works, maybe it doesn't. I think it doesn't. Yeah, I checked all the other chips here and the pins, but this all seems fine, so I can't find any damages on the PCB or on any components. Yeah. Okay, so I let this cool down and then I report back. Then I will clean it and put it back together and then we can test it. Okay, see you in a bit. So it's back together. Does it work? I don't know. I don't think so. Let's see if it still connects. It does. Okay, that's good. And still nothing.
You fat, bloated idiot!
Okay, that's disappointing. Yeah, guys, so I couldn't find anything else. This was not successful, but I will stay on this topic because, yeah, this really bugs me. I think that a chip failed or something. Yeah, all the buttons work except those. I tested the traces, they're all fine, so I don't know. Yeah, I will do a little more research. Yeah, guys, so that was not successful, but I will stay on this. Nevertheless, I hope you liked the video. If you like it, give it a thumbs up or consider subscribing if you haven't already. Again, thanks very much for watching this video, and I see you in the next one. Bye.